Hello guys, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com bringing to you another awesome color of SUPERCore. It is our SPC042X Corvallis Pine. This one is a beauty. It is a nice blend of a kind of a dusty brown, khaki. It's kind of hard to explain, but it is a very lovely color to look at. Very soft and even kind of sultry, if I may go there. Very beautiful colors in this floor. It is a pine design with a very crisp, clean line. A little bit of tone on tone variation to create that realistic look. The video is showing pretty good color in my viewfinder here, so I'm hoping that I have found the perfect day, the perfect time of day for the best balance of light. I have a sunny day today, and there's a sunny window to my left, and I'm still balancing it out with a photography lamp over here to the right. I have a whole box of this product racked out on the floor so you can see what that looks like. This is a really nice color. I'm really impressed with the way this one turned out. And this is an extreme, so it does have the 30 mil commercial wear layer. All of our SUPERCore products have the high density EVA padding attached, so you don't have to worry about underlayment during your installation. Go ahead and get your free samples. This is posted on our website now. And let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.